sort of feels like my gig again. I don't know what the fuck they're saying, but it's sure makes sense to them. There we go. Just a couple of words you have to remember, guys. It's tonight, and then one long word. It's that's right. It's very simple. Here we go. Here we go. That's right. Tonight. We've got the world tonight. Let's hold on together. That's right. But we've got a love. That's right. So open your heart. One more time. We've got the world tonight. Let's hold on together. You got me singing it wrong, right? And we've got a love. That's right. So open your heart. Jeez, I should have brought these boys to the Eurovision. I'm just thinking I was allowed 6 people on stage. It would have been perfect. Next time, lads, the next time, I promise. We wouldn't win anything, but geez, we'd have great crack. Can you imagine? Thank you very much. Thanks to Karina and to Tom for looking after me tonight. I have to jump in the car and drive back to Donegal now. If you're down in the car tomorrow night, we're in Cubans tomorrow night. Cubans. The Rosa Tree on Sunday night. And next week I'm in Croke Park next Sunday. Thank you. Give a big round of applause to Brian. That's perfect. There you go.